Good morning. The doctor's negligence was one of the toughest subject when we were taught law of torts. Bolam test was considered as the first case wherein in England common law process was approached. Common law process means filing suit for having caused the death of the innocent person by doctor's negligence. So, in that case, the court held that it is the duty of the doctors to apply innovative methods to treat the patients. Therein, what had happened, the insane persons normally they used to give current shock after applying sedative medicines and tying their hands. But in the given case, the victim was not administered a sedation and it was the hands were also not tied, resulting the patient died. But the court held that that was due to innovative process. You want to because the doctor states that the sedation methods and tying the hands may also result some shock to the brain. Therefore, you want to try it by step-by-step method of giving shock. That was accepted. That was the Bolam case. Here, another case was similarly decided by Chhattisgarh High Court. But unfortunately, I do not understand. I could understand that the Bolam case was not placed before the single judge of Chhattisgarh High Court. Thereafter, so far medical cases are concerned, so many judgments are there because I did postgraduate diploma in medical law and ethics with Nalsu University, Bangalore. I was a little bit with knowledge that aspect. So, Paramananda Katara case, they told that all the doctors must attend the accidental persons and give first aid. Then the Jacob Matthew case also, various guidelines were given how to prosecute the doctors and filing civil suits. Here they have referred only the Jacob Matthew case. Here what had happened, the patient was administered with the injection called remdesivir, but unfortunately subsequently they only tested it because that time that was not there was no medicine to cure this COVID-19. Then they have but subsequently patient died. So, but the court held that they clearly said putting doctors to criminal prosecution for negligence would create lot of emotional disturbance at the time of pandemic. Pandemic means emergency. So, no criminal negligence can be attached on any individual opinion. That was it. Subsequently, there was another prayer that the COVID body was not handed over to him by guidelines issued by the government. But the court said Article 226, it is not a duty of the High Court to probe whether that was done or not. This is matter which cannot be entertained. Therefore, this case is most important to keep it on your file. Happy Deepavali. Deepavali was the new year for so many North Indians. Salivahana here and particularly Jain people used to start commence their accounts from Deepavali. When they want a uniform civil code and nobody has concentrated to regulate this income tax procedure which permits to have their own account of annual filing returns. That is up to them for what they are doing it or not. Then my humble persuasion was that as for so many reasons Deepavali was being celebrated. Somebody says Narakasura was killed by Lord Krishna. So many things are there for Deepavali. Whatever it may be, a festival which is being celebrated. When Rama returned to Ayodhya after winning the battle with Ravana, that day was Deepavali, was celebrated as Deepavali. So many histories, these all are, we cannot probe it. Let us accept that. But the procedure which was given to us was that we should have a full bath with oil massage bath, then sweets, celebrating with the relatives, assembling at one place by all family members. These all are social regulations. The next day we have another day that is called a vow to Varalakshmi. That is for the betterment of husbands. I don't think this is being followed. And I have a grievance. You know, some 20 years, 10 years, 20 years back, everywhere the Deepavali was celebrated as a festival for higher community. Even if you open your books, they used to issue on eve of Deepavali, that contains all the practices of higher community. They say Ganga Snanam is Ganga Snanam over, and the Bhakshanas, they try to impose all Sanskrit words to remind you that you are a that person and we are celebrating heavily, and all these silk sarees, purchasing of silk sarees. Nowadays, the youth generation is somewhat climbing up to humanity. Humanity. I don't encourage some of the persons, mushroom leaders, all nuisance, novice people, who do not know what is what, simply nagging, passing sarcastic comments on the regular procedure. Somebody claiming that I am a Tamilian, somebody claiming that I am that particular community, somebody claiming, and one lady is accusing this present government for having stopped the 10.5 percentage, but the government nothing to do with that. It was the court did not say that you are not entitled. If you are not understanding the verdict of the judges, and you know the judge who was leading the bench is also belonging to the same community. It doesn't matter, he is above all. But they only remind that you have your senses, arithmetical calculation, give reason. That is what reasonable classification. If you do not understand what is reasonable classification, you have no right to criticize. Instead that the slave dynasty government which ruled our country, our state earlier, may not have that much of knowledge to concentrate on that, because they have Advocate General, superficial Advocate General, what not, and that was the result. And Advocate General have got other work, and they are recruited, nominated by pick and choose, not on merits. Everybody knows about that. That was the result for this. All they would have consulted that, and they would have consulted the backward commission also before issuing all these things. This is what unfortunate what had happened. I humbly request you that do not pass such comments and do not encourage this sort of criticism on judicial verdicts. They are only alarming you. You see, the Supreme Court has got advisory rules like that. Sometimes the High Court also advises you to follow proper procedures so that your these schemes is stand well and reaches properly. Hope the best. Mr.